steps we need to take to ensure our melodies will sound full. I'm gonna go simple. I'm gonna use a chord track, and let's use just two chords. I'm gonna use A minor and A minor. So we're gonna drag those to our instrument. I'm gonna select both, press G so that they merge, and I'm using a piano, by the way. So now we got our chords. I'm gonna set the tempo a little faster. So step number one is to cover our low end. So I'm gonna take this. This is the same note but an octave lower, and do the same with this one. We could bring another one an octave lower if we want. Okay, so now we're gonna spice a little bit our chords. We're gonna use the split tool, and I'm gonna cut at these points. And do the same with the next chord. So I'm going right. So next step would be to cover our high frequencies. So alright, so now we're gonna do some layering. I'm gonna copy the chords and use a different instrument. I'm gonna remove those. So let's see. I'm using Electra, by the way. What we're gonna do next, I think we can use some more high frequencies. So let's use a different instrument here, and we can use ghost notes. So if we place any note here, we know it will sound good. Let's use that for now. And once we place our notes, we can transpose them one octave. And do the same for the next chord. And let's use some drums to see how this goes. And from now on, we can just change our sounds if we don't like something. So if you do those steps, your melody will cover almost the entire frequency spectrum, and it will sound full and not missing something. By the way, this is a lesson, and I would spend much more time making it sound better. So you have all the time to do so. Yeah, that was it. I hope you found that helpful, and I'm gonna see you soon. Cheers.